Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, showing you how to set up an RTA job using the adhesive template. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you've got a job open that calls for RTA Vinyl over here in Corbridge. And next you're going to go to the templates folder on the farm, and then you're going to open up the adhesive template. Once that opens up, it's going to look something like this, and you are going to go to the layers and find RTA Vinyl and turn the visibility on like so. So next we're going to go over to artboards, and we're going to replace the information. This is going to be how the file name is saved. So first we're going to copy the order number from Corbridge. And we're just going to go ahead and paste that in, dash the product number, so this is product 1. And then we're going to copy the customer name and go ahead and paste that in, replacing the name section here. So the next step is going to be to set your artboard size. So this job says that it's 24 inches wide by a proportionate height, and so that proportionate height is going to be based on some text at Futura font. So we don't know what that height is just yet. So we're just going to do a Shift-O for the artboard tool, and then we're going to plug in 24 into the width. And that's it for step 1. Stay tuned for step number 2. Thanks for watching.